The most asked question in software architecture is, what is the single most important principle in software architecture? While it's hard to choose just one, many architects say that separation of concern is key. By dividing your system into distinct components, each responsible for a specific task, you create more maintainable, scalable, and testable system. Whether you are using layered architecture, microservices, or hexagonal patterns, keeping concerns separated ensures that changes in one area doesn't ripple through the entire system. We will discuss this with an example of separation of concerns in an online retail platform, Amazon. At the top, the presentation layer is responsible for displaying products, handling search queries, and managing the shopping carts. Next, the business logic layer processes orders, calculates discount, and handles inventory management. At the bottom, the data access layer interacts with databases that store products, details, and customer informations. This clear separation means that changes in the user interface, like a website redesign, can be made independently without impacting order processing or data handling. Similarly, updates to business rules occur without altering the presentation or database interactions. For instance, if Amazon revamps its website or introduces a new mobile app, those changes remain confined to the presentation layer, ensuring the underlying system remains stable and effective. Separation of concerns, building maintainable, scalable, and testable systems.